If you fail, never give up because fail means first attempt in learning. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's talk about this thought. This thought encourages a positive perspective on failure. It suggests that failing is not an end but rather an initial step in learning process. By viewing fail as an acronym for first attempt in learning, it frames setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning rather than as defeats. This mindset promotes resilience as it emphasizes that each failure is a valuable experience that contributes to eventual success. The idea is to keep trying and learning from mistakes, reinforcing the notion that persistence and adaptation are key to achieving goals. Let's break it down. Reframing failure, learning process, building resilience, encouraging growth mindset, positive reinforcement. First is reframing failure. Traditionally, failure is seen as a negative outcome. However, framing it as first attempt in learning shifts that perspective. It suggests that failure is not a final destination but a starting point in the learning journey. It implies that each failure is an opportunity to gather information, refine strategies, and improve. Next is learning process. Every time you attempt something and fail, you gain insights into what didn't work. This process helps you understand what changes are needed, making each subsequent attempt more informed and potentially more successful. Next is building resilience. Embracing failure as a learning experience helps build resilience. Instead of feeling discouraged, you see each failure as a step towards growth. This attitude encourages persistence and the willingness to take risks, knowing that setbacks are part of the path to success. Next is encouraging growth mindset. This thought aligns with the concept of a growth mindset which values effort and learning over innate talent. It reinforces that belief that skills and abilities can be developed through dedication and perseverance. Next is positive reinforcement. By redefining failure, you can reduce fear and anxiety associated with trying new things. It creates a more positive environment and experimentation and creativity, leading to innovation and personal development. In essence, this perspective helps maintain motivation and optimism, encouraging continuous efforts and adaptation as you work towards your goals. I hope you like this thought. Thanks for watching.